Hi, today I'm going to show you how to rationalise a double term denominator. So this is where we have two terms on the denominator of our fraction, and what we have to do is try and make this denominator basically a whole number, which is a rational number. So let's have a look at our first example then. So we've got a rationalised denominator of 4 over 2 plus root 7. Now for these harder ones then, if we just multiply the fraction by root 7 on the top and bottom, this won't make the denominator rational. What we have to do is change the sign in the middle of our two terms, so it's 2 minus root 7, and we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by this. So let me do that. So I'm just copying out the first fraction. So we're going to change the sign in the middle to 2 minus root 7. So we're going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by this. So you'll need lots of brackets on this. So let's just simplify this now. So on the top we have a single bracket. So 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times minus root 7 is minus 4 root 7. On the denominators then we have double brackets. So 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times minus root 7 is minus 2 root 7. Root 7 times 2 is 2 root 7, and root 7 times minus root 7 is minus 7. So there's nothing to simplify on our numerator. The denominator we can. So if you notice, the middle terms cancel out, because it gives you 0 root 7, and 4 take away 7 will be minus 3. So as you can see, we now got a rational number on our denominator. So the little trick of changing the sign in the middle has worked. So let's do one more example. This one's a little bit harder than the first. This time we have root 3 over 3 minus 2 root 5. So again we've got a double term denominator. So we need to change the sign in the middle. So let me just copy out the first fraction. So we're going to multiply the numerator and denominator by 3 plus 2 root 5. So we just have to change the sign in the middle for it to work. So again, let's put some brackets in. So again, on our numerator we have a single bracket, so root 3 times 3 is 3 root 3. Root 3 times 2 root 5, that would be 2 root 15. And we've got double bracket on the bottom, so 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 2 root 5 is 6 root 5. Minus 2 root 5 times 3 is minus 6 root 5. And a little bit of a tricky one to finish on. Minus 2 root 5 times 2 root 5, well, that'll be minus 4 times 5, which is minus 20. So there's nothing to simplify on the top, so we can leave it as it is. On the denominator then, these middle two again cancel out, and 9 take away 20, that will give us minus 11. So again we've got a rational number on the denominator. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.